Hey everybody, this is Jake Jones here with MarineMax, Texas MasterCraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to walk through a 2023 Sea Ray 19 SPX. This particular one is a really well optioned SPX, so let's climb inside and check out some of the options. So inside here in the cockpit, one of the first things you'll see that we do have the SeaDeck option on this inside. So it really cleans it up, makes it look nice with the upholstery color as well. We do have the dual captain's chairs as well. So you have comfortable seats on either side for your co-captain. If you look on the dash here, we do have the digital dash upgrade. So you have your SIMRAD up here, helps you with your fish finder, GPS, all that stuff. We do have storage down here underneath my feet. As you walk forward here, we do have the bow. You can get the optional bow filler cushion to make this a full sun pad up front as well. So you also see on this boat, we do have the sports tower option on this as well. So anybody who's looking to do some wakeboarding or something, you do have a tow point from the top. And on the back side of the boat here, we do have the sun pad. So it's a great spot for you to lay out while you guys are anchored out, just floating out in the water. And on the back, we didn't show it before, but this does have the flip down swim step as well in the back. So a great option for you guys getting in and out of the boat. Thank you guys for checking out this Sea Ray with me today. If you guys have any questions, hop on to MarineMax.com. There you can check out all of our other Sea Ray inventory, as well as our other inventory from our great manufacturers like MasterCraft, Aviara, Crest, Premier. If you guys are looking for a boat, we probably have something that can get you to fit what you're looking for. Outside of that, if you guys have any more additional questions, contact me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969. Thank you.